Welcome back, everyone. Let's take a look at this question. What is the empirical formula for a compound that contains the following? 1.245 grams of nickel and 5.381 grams of iodine. Okay, so please recall what the empirical formula is. So the empirical formula, if you look at those subscripts here for those choices, okay, the definition for empirical formula is those subscripts, they have to be in the smallest whole number ratio, okay? And let's say here A1 to 2, so Ni to I, that's a smallest whole number ratio. That could be the correct answer, but not necessarily it is the correct answer, all right? So on the B, that's 1 to 3, that could also be. But C, look at that, 2 to 4, that's not the smallest whole number ratio. So we can divide everything by 2. For example, 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, that gives us 1 to 2 ratio. So therefore, C is not the correct answer. It is not empirical formula. Okay, so because it's not in the smallest whole number ratio. Yeah, but because we already have those mass information, then in order to find out what the empirical formula is, we first have to find out the relative moles of each element. So we have the mass. In order to find out the moles, we just simply convert from mass to moles using molar mass. And again, I prefer to do the dimensional analysis. So first, let's start with Ni, nickel. We have 1.245 grams of nickel. And we are converting dimensional analysis. Remember, we are converting from, put that on bottom, Ni, to the moles of Ni. Using molar mass, 1 mole of nickel gives us, so you will always have a copy of periodic table available when you work on problems or even taking exams. So the molar mass should be 58.69 grams per mole. So therefore, 58.69 grams. And that should yield 0.0212 moles of nickel. So now we found out the moles of this many grams of nickel. Now we'll do the same for iodine. There are 5.381 grams of iodine. We are converting from grams of iodine using the molar mass, 126.9. You see right here. So let me just circle that. All right, and the nickel, that's right there. Okay, so for iodine, that's 26.9, 126.9 grams of iodine. And converting 2 on top, 1 mole of iodine. So the answer is 0.0424 moles of iodine. Okay. Now the next step, what we are going to do is to find out the mole ratio. We use the smallest number of moles as a denominator. Compare the two. Of course, the top one is the smaller one. Okay, so therefore, for nickel, we are going to 0.0212 divided by 0.0212. Of course, that gives us 1, ratio of 1 for nickel. And then for iodine, 0.0424 divided by the same smallest value of moles, which is 0.0212, and that gives us 2, all right? And that's for iodine. Now what does this tell us? This tells us if I write the formula, so metal first, the non-metal, we should have 1 nickel and then 2 iodine, all right? But by convention, of course, if the subscript is 1, we just simply don't write it. So therefore, the correct answer should be NiI2. And the ratio is 1 to 2, which is the smallest whole number ratio. Do we have this choice? Yes, we do. We do have A among the 5 different choices here. That should be the correct answer. The empirical formula should be NiI2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Happy learning chemistry!